Hi there. Did you know that data-driven restaurants are 23 times more likely to acquire customers, 6 times as likely to retain customers, and 19 times more likely to be profitable? Leveraging a restaurant's data can help them make informed decisions that help them optimize the way they are running their business and improve their customers' experience. The result? Loyal customers who keep coming back for more. Let's see how restaurant owners can make the most of their own set of restaurant data. First, restaurant owners need to start by accessing their restaurant admin panel. Then click on the Reports icon from the left side of the screen. The Dashboard section of the Restaurant Reports allows restaurant owners to see their restaurant's results at a glance and compare them to the previous period. It displays some essential pieces of information like number of orders, reservations, Google ranking, sales, website visitors, and number of new and returning clients. In the upper right side of the dashboard, restaurant owners can select the time period for which they want the figures to show. The report can be displayed for 7, 14, and 28 days. When restaurant owners look at the bottom of the dashboard, they'll notice tips on how they can increase their online sales. Clicking on the I want more visitors, I want more orders, or I want returning clients options will open up new sections with detailed step-by-step instructions that will help restaurant owners achieve their desired goals. Restaurant owners should move the mouse over this sales graph to display more information about a specific day. Restaurant owners need to click on Sales in the left navigation panel, followed by Trend. The Sales Trend Report can be filtered by total revenue, net sales, orders, or average order value. The report can be customized further by selecting the Order Type option from the Select Breakdown dropdown. Moving the mouse over the report will display more information about a specific day. How can restaurant owners use this info to their advantage? They can create targeted promotions for specific days to incentivize delivery or pickup, and then check how effective that promo was. This report can also be displayed in a tabular format. The date range for the report can be adjusted to display sales data for today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 14 days, last 28 days, or restaurant owners can select their own custom date range. Moving the slider next to Show Previous Period will remove the previous period from the report. Restaurant owners can click on the download icon at the bottom right of the report to export a copy of the report in Excel, CSV, or PDF format. Let's take a look at the Sales Summary Report. This report summarizes a restaurant's sales over a given period of time and can be viewed by day, week, month, payment method, or order type. Restaurant owners can filter and compare sales by months to reveal variations and adjust menu offers. Restaurant owners should compare sales from different days and weeks to discover specific trends and see if operations can be adjusted. For example, they can increase staff on busiest days. Restaurant owners need to click on Export to download a copy of the report in Excel, CSV, or PDF format. The information displayed in the report can be modified by clicking on the Columns icon in the bottom right. The Menu Insights report allows restaurant owners to analyze the performance of the items in their menu. How can this piece of information help restaurant owners? They can use this information to tweak their menu accordingly and remove items that don't sell. Restaurant owners can also incentivize sales on slow days with food promos of their best-selling menu items. So to check which menu items perform well or not, restaurant owners must click on Menu Insights, followed by Categories. This report lists all the categories in their menu, along with the major group they belong to, the quantity sold over a defined period of time, sales before discounts, item discounts, sales after discounts, and the percentage of total sales. As with previous reports, the date range can be adjusted. Restaurant owners should click on Export to download a copy of the report in Excel, CSV, or PDF format. To see how various menu items are performing, restaurant owners should click on Items. This report lists all the items in their menu and the categories they belong to. It also lists the quantity sold over a defined period of time, sales before discounts, item discounts, sales after discounts, and the percentage of total sales. Items and categories in this report can be filtered by clicking their respective subheading. The online ordering section hosts reports such as the restaurant's website funnel report, client breakdown, table reservations, Google ranking, website visits, delivery heat maps, connectivity health, and promotion stats. The website funnel analysis report is essential to understand what visitors do on the restaurant's site, how they move around. It shows how many visitors go through each stage of the sales process and compares them to the general average of the system. Most importantly, this report shows how many visitors finish placing their orders. If there is room for improvement, the buttons below the chart lead to a dedicated list of suggestions, depending on the area that needs revision. Restaurant owners simply need to follow the recommendations. These may include organizing website content, adding a security certificate, having the ordering and/or reservation widgets in sight at all times while navigating the website, or adding links to social media listings and review portals. The client's report specifies what number of new and returning clients are placing orders from the restaurant's website. Moving the mouse over the report will display more information about a specific day. If restaurant owners need to download a copy of the report in Excel, CSV, or PDF format, they simply need to click on Export. The bottom of the report lists some key actions that restaurant owners can take to get more clients and repeat business. Restaurant owners can do so by using already done-for-you promotions, specifically designed to bring in new customers and generate recurring business. In this sense, restaurant owners can start by choosing to share specific promos via email and on their social media, or enabling carefully crafted email campaigns that run on autopilot. Clicking on the Create Promo or Activate Autopilot buttons will take restaurant owners to the designated sections of this online ordering system. If a restaurant has table reservations enabled, the specific information will be shown in this report. The Google Ranking Report shows a restaurant's website rank in Google for specific keywords, like in this example. There are several factors that contribute to where a website rank is on Google, including on-site and off-site SEO. On-page restaurant SEO, or search engine optimization, implies a set of measures that restaurant owners implement on their website to increase their chances of ranking high in searches, while off-page SEO focuses on increasing the authority of their domain through content creation and earning backlinks from other websites. SEO is important for businesses because it helps restaurant owners attain better visibility for organic search queries. SEO easily connects a restaurant's business with customers. People can find their restaurant on Google Maps, and they can share accurate business information like opening hours. Ideally, a good website should rank in the search results on the first page of the search engine. This report also lists the steps that can be taken to improve their restaurant website's rank in Google. Clicking on the warning messages will take them to other sections in the online ordering system, where restaurant owners can resolve these issues. The website visits report details what channels their online visitors use to land on their website. The report can also be configured to be viewed by channel or visits. At the bottom of the report, there's a section that details key actions they can take to increase their website visitors. These include making it easy for clients to find their website on Google, making their restaurant stand out in their local area with Google Business Listing, and distributing flyers in their neighborhood. In the Delivery Heat Maps section, restaurant owners can find information about their most and least popular delivery areas. Restaurant owners can zoom in and out of the map by using the plus and minus icons at the top left of the map. The date ranges for the Delivery Heat Maps reports vary from 24 hours, 7 days, 1 month, and 3 months. In this report, the red color denotes higher density delivery areas, and the blue indicates lesser frequented delivery areas. Restaurant owners can use this information in this report to adjust their delivery settings or promotions accordingly. They can extend some delivery areas if they see a large number of orders coming from out of their delivery zones, or hire more drivers to areas where most orders are placed. Similarly, if an area doesn't generate enough orders, restaurant owners might consider removing it from their serviced delivery area. The Connectivity Health Report indicates when a restaurant's order-taking app is online or offline. If the connectivity is poor, restaurant owners can miss orders. To avoid issues with connectivity, restaurant owners should keep their order-taking device plugged in or their charger nearby. Keep the order-taking app open at all times, and ensure they have a stable internet connection at their location. Clicking on a specific date will show restaurant owners the exact times the order-taking app was connected and the times it lost connectivity. The Promotion Stats Report monitor the performance of their promo campaigns. This is also the place where restaurant owners can check how the incentivization worked on each delivery rider's promo code. That is, if they decide to turn their riders into promoters. If restaurant owners don't know how that works, they should check the link in the video description. Restaurant owners can view the data by count, value, and discount of their restaurant promotions. This shows them how many times a particular offer has been used by customers. It also shows them an insight into the type of discount that their customers like best. The best way to take full advantage of this report would be to test out as many different types of promos to see which one appeals to the most of their food clients. The list view restaurant reports is broken down into two categories: orders and clients. This report lists information about specific orders like the order number, placed time, order type, client name, order total, and order status. Restaurant owners should click on Show More to view more details about an order. The Clients report contains the names, email addresses, phone numbers, last orders, total orders, and total amounts spent of their customers. Thanks to our end-of-day reports, restaurant owners know about their sales achievements, missed orders, sales breakdown, and more. Become more aware of the money they lose and take measures to prevent missing out on future orders. Are reminded each day of the used promotions that actually work. For example, free delivery for promo orders for a certain amount, or free delivery for every takeaway order. And overall, see how their business grows from one day to another. How to enable this feature? Restaurant owners should navigate to Other, then Advanced Settings after Notifications, and check the box next to the End of Day report. That's all for now.